Going away from keyboard? Protect your setup with this lock screen for Touch Portal. I've already set up a page with a bunch of buttons, each with its own icon. This is going to be the core of our lock screen. Once it's ready, you'll need to press 4 specific buttons to unlock your Touch Portal setup. Let's dive in. We first need to create a value called lock screen password. This value will keep track of the buttons you will press to unlock the screen. Each button will do the same thing. It will add its unique character to the lock screen password value. So the first button will add a 1, the second a 2, and so forth. After the numbers are used up, we use the letters from the alphabet. In the end, the combination of characters are evaluated to unlock your setup. To handle the evaluation, we need to start listening to changes in the lock screen password value. We open our text status button and add the when value changes event to the on event section. We point it to our value and set it to trigger when it does not change to 4 times the character Z, which it never will since we do not have a button that adds the Z character to the password. We then add an if statement to check whether the value's length is 0. If it is, we'll update the button's text to locked. And if it isn't, we use another if statement to check if we have an incomplete password or not. Our password will have a length of 4 characters, so anything less than it is considered incomplete. If it's incomplete, we want to show the password's length in asterisks, so we get the length of the password and store it in local value 1. We set local value 2 to an empty text and we use a repeat action to repeat it the password length amount of times. Every iteration of the repeat action, we will append an asterisk to local value 2. After that, we update the text of the button with the result. If the password value has a length of 4, it means we have pressed 4 buttons and it's time to evaluate whether we pressed the correct sequence of buttons. We add an if statement again to check if our button equals 3E8I. This is the sequence of buttons and this represents the rocket ship, shield, leaf and bolt. If the correct sequence has been pressed, we update the text of the button to unlocked and we add a wait time for 1 second before we use the page navigation action to navigate back to the page that triggered this lock screen page. If the sequence is not correct, we update the text to locked and reset the password so that the user can try again. Let's look at the tablet and see the lock screen in action. We start with the wrong button sequence and the lock screen does not allow us access. We then use the correct sequence and we are back at our previous page. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot and it allows us to create more useful videos for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.